Hello. We would discuss today regarding how the financials should be reviewed on month-on-month basis. And this is the practice which we have been following at Meru Accounting. We'll discuss in regarding how to review the financials on various aspects. Let's take an example of first bank payment gateway and credit card reconciliation. Firstly, we should make sure that the bank balances as per the statement and bank balance as per the accounting system is completely matching. That is a very basic step for reviewing the books of accounts. We should make sure that there are no uncleared transactions in bank, credit card, or payment gateway reconciliation. That will ensure that all the transactions has been coded into an accounting system. Now it comes about accuracy of coding the transaction into a correct account head. For that, understanding the business is very essential. First of all, we should understand the nature of the business, and then the transaction should be coded based upon the nature of each and every transaction. Basically, it's an ideal practice to prepare an expense by vendor report. Expense by vendor report gives a list of all the vendors and then suggested account categories in various scenarios. In accounting, mostly account categories are repeating in nature as far as small and medium sized businesses are concerned. Say, for example, if you are buying something from a grocery store and if the name of the grocery store is ABC, and when a transaction happens again from ABC, it would all be coded same as an office expense or say under meals based upon the nature of transaction. However, in certain scenarios, if goods are bought from the same vendor, the nature of transaction may change. See, for example, some business might buy a furniture from Amazon, some and at the same point they may buy some stationery from Amazon. When they are buying a furniture with a material amount, then it will be capitalized in that scenario. However, if a stationery expense is done, it can be coded to office expense or under a stationery expense based upon the business owner's requirement. Accounting is an art, so there is no such a thumb rule that it should be always coded to stationery only or it should be coded to only office expense. So it depends upon the bookkeeper's level of business understanding and its accounting knowledge that whether it should be categorized into X account head or Y account head. That is how a normal account categorization is checked. As far as account categorization is concerned, a bookkeeper should also take into consideration the materiality concept. A bookkeeper should not raise a query which